connectivity is something that is very important in today's world. So it's great that this flag for the train has taken place in Nagaland, and and hopefully with us being able to handle and take care of the concerns that are there of different civil society, we will also try our best to see how we can move forward. It's a process. Again, this is an issue that's been pending for a very long time. Obviously, we can't expect that we'll be able to resolve this issue in one day or in a matter of a year. It takes time. It's complicated, and therefore, we're taking steps. I mean, this hotel, we never thought that we'd be standing here like this, but it's possible, and we made it happen. So similarly, in other areas also, by taking people's confidence, by taking people along, by addressing their concerns that they have, by creating systems so that they can be comfortable in the entire process, we will take all stakeholders on board and then decide on how to move forward.